City of Detroit versus Kathleen Nicholas
Laguerre, Your Honor.
Gary, case number U156521114. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joyce Todd, P31026, representing Ms. Laguerre.
All right, where is your client?
All right, she is signed in.
Okay.
Right here.
There
Good morning.
Okay, there she is. Okay.
All right, good morning. Now, are you in the state of Michigan now?
No, Your Honor, I'm not. I am at home. I live in Kansas.
All right. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, Ms. Laguerre is here for an arraignment on a solicitation ticket back from 2014. I would indicate in my discussions with Ms. Laguerre, she was represented by counsel who informed her that this matter had been taken care of and was dismissed. So that's why this warrant is several years old. So when she found out that it had not been dismissed, she's attempting to resolve this matter. I have spoken to Mr. Goss regarding a possible disposition of this case. I see that he's here today, so I'm not sure if we've been able to, we haven't communicated this morning. I would indicate that Ms. Laguerre is a victim of human trafficking. I'm a pro bono. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for interrupting you. Your Honor, we're going to dismiss this case. I don't want to put all that stuff on the record, so I'm just going to dismiss the matter.
All right. I obviously, Ms. Laguerre has no objection to that. I would ask if I were to present an order to the court to destroy this, the fingerprints and the record of this arrest, would the court be inclined to grant my request?
I have no objections, Your Honor.
I'll review the order. If there's I don't necessarily, the case is going to be dismissed. I don't see why it would not, why I would not sign that order, but I'll review that order and once you submit it, all right?
All right. I appreciate so much, Mr. Goss and the courts accommodating us today and for what I think is a just resolution of the case. Thank you, Your Honor.
Right. Thank you very much. Have a very good day.
Were we on the record, Your Honor?
We're on the record. You
Okay.
put your appearance on the record.
May it please His Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people. You have a good day, Ms. Laguerre. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Hello.
Mr. Gates.
Oh, yes. I was trying to unmute it the whole time. I couldn't hear nothing. I was trying to find a way to, I just turned the volume on.
All right, we got you now. All right, let's go to the, as soon as I get that, information from you, I'll call your case, all right, Mr. Glosson? But I haven't received it yet. All right, let's move on. Antonio Lewis, are you there?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Antonio Devon Lewis. Case number SP 1123826. Parents for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. For the record, Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Antonio Lewis.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss your case, sir. You paid a related civil infraction. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to be responsible to pay the $45 reinstatement fee.
And that's through the Secretary of State, or or
So
through the court?
you come down here and pay that. I would pay that in person, or I'd pay that at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day.
I appreciate you. You too.
Kendrick Green,
Yes,
all right, did I get the pronunciation right?
yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you too.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. This is Kendrick Green, case number SP 841-880, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name, please, for the record?
Yes, Kendrick.
Let's also put on there 15-540-0391. Let's see, ma'am, you owe tickets from agreements that you entered into. And one, a failure to display a valid driver's license in 2018. And then you owe no proof of insurance. Then have these a couple other civil infractions. And then you owe $145 for a ticket that you entered into an agreement in on 11/10/2015. What is your financial situation like, ma'am?
I get Social Security from my father being deceased, and that's the only income I got. And I have a 15-year-old son that I have that he don't get no income. So basically, I'm only living off the $15.89 that I get a month.
All right. Why don't we, well, these are old matters, Mr. Baughman, you want to set these matters to trial?
Yes, I think we should set those matters for trial and ask respectfully, Your Honor, if there are any reinstatement fees that the defendant be allowed to pay those and come back with her driver's license if she's able to do that.
All right, now, here's the deal. You know, I've been really liberal in letting people pay reinstatement fees up front. And, but we're finding that the people are paying the reinstatement, get their driver's license, and not coming back to court, following up with their other obligations. So all right, so let's see. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow you to pay, you know, here's the problem. Here's the problem. It's much more than this. Because I see you owe another, okay, that's down to 145. All right, that's what we already discussed. And then you have another no ops ticket that you owe, 372 on. So I'm gonna set a trial date for you,
Uh-huh.
and I'll have you back. I think this case, just looking at this case here, is just more. Right. I'm gonna waive the late and reinstatement fees
Thank you, Your Honor.
for you.
Thank you.
Are you able to work, ma'am?
No, I can't work. I get railroad Social Security from my father being deceased. So they don't allow me to work at all. If I work,
Why didn't they allow you to work?
they allow me to work because I'm disabled, and I've been getting this ever since I was born to the world. So if I work, they'll cut the check off. So I'm drawing my father's Social Security. It's called RSID.
No, I understand that. I mean, I guess I'm not gonna go into it too much further. I just don't understand if you're able to work.
No, I'm not able to work.
So when can I see, when can you start making payments on this?
I'm saying, well, how much would I have to pay? Because I can pay something today. It depends on how much it is.
How much can you pay today?
I can give you like $100 today. What is the total?
Well, that's the problem. The total without these two cases, you're looking at $1,974.20.
I don't have that type of money. I don't.
All right, I'm gonna do it this time.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna order you to pay, this 145 and this $91.20.
You said the, you said
Yeah,
one four, you
Yeah,
said one,
you have an ink pen?
I'm trying, I have a pencil. Okay,
You got it. All right, 15-5400391.
you said 50,
That's the
Uh-huh.
case number, 15-54-00-391. Do $145 on that.
okay,
17-39-06611. You owe $91.20 on that.
okay,
When can you pay those? And then another $90 needs to go to the reinstatement fees up front on the other 2 tickets that I'm having.
okay. The $90, I can pay that today, and then the 14th of April, which is next week, next Thursday, I can pay the rest off. So if you give me to the 14th, I can pay all that off.
326.20, you need to pay those. And then pay the reinstatement fees on SP 841
841.
8801, SP 841-8801, and SP 841-8802. Pay the,
Okay.
the $90 is two $45 fees, pay them on those.
Okay, so the whole total was how much?
326, but you're gonna pay to that. You're still gonna owe these other tickets now. This is just to start, you can get your clearances down here.
Okay,
And then you gotta come back on June the 17th at 9 a.m. for the 2 tickets, the 2 SP tickets that I just gave you. So you're gonna pay these by April 14th, 2022, right?
yes.
All right, so get in here and pay them, come back for trial 6/17/2022, June 17th, 2022.
Oh, okay, so I can come down to the court today and pay that $90?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm on my way down there now.
all right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Shar Glosson, case number U58247720. Hearings for the record, please.
Daniel Gloss.
Morning, Harry Boffin for defendant.
All right, Mr. Glosson, I've got your email, and I don't know. It seems like you sent me a.
Because you said not the results, right?
Yeah, you sent me a battery of tests. All right, I'm gonna call that good. I'm gonna close this matter out under disorderly conduct. All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day, all right?
Thank you, sir.
All right, let's move on to,
Excuse me, Your Honor, can I get in the breakout room with Attorney Puta?
Mr. Puda, good morning to you, and Mr. Land, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And I already spoke to Attorney Land, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What's your client's name, Mr. Land?
Miss Gentry, Sade Gentry.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Sade Patricia Gentry, case number SP 122-85121 and Z CR434, appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Item Land, P65879, appearing on behalf of Ms. Gentry, and we have no objection to holding this matter by Zoom.
Okay, date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Have you been tested, Ms. Gentry?
Yes,
All right, I need to get the results of those tests. What does your client want to do, Mr. Lamb?
Your Honor, we want to, spoke to the city attorney, and I want to ask for an adjournment of about 90 days for a final pretrial conference while we get some deviations letters together, as well as I'm requesting additional discovery.
All right. Can we get the probation down here?
This is the same officer. He's in another Zoom courtroom. He says that he won't talk about these kids because he doesn't know who is the Zoom. He's in another courtroom on Zoom. I think he didn't know how to switch over, but he doesn't want his case dismissed. He wants to know his case. Okay, can you come in and just have a seat? No.
Is that letters in anticipation of writing a deviation request, Mr. Land, or?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Can we get a
Probation.
Yeah. Am I going to see any surprises on those tests, Ms. Gentry?
no, Your Honor. The results are in the computer.
Let me see.
But I do have a hard copy.
Yeah, I don't have the results here. They don't list on our way. I'm gonna give you a pretrial date.
Thank you.
For July the 7th, 2022.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just have you wait so I can just follow up with probation to make sure everything is copacetic with that. And then we'll get you out of here
Your Honor, what time is that, July 7th?
at 8:30.
8:30.
Honor, when you were calling the cases, there was some background noise. Can you give me the cases once more?
This is the city of Detroit versus Sade Patricia Gentry, case number SP 122-85121 and Z8084141.
Thank you.
Then we call a probation for him?
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
Bellator is.
He gave me something.
He gave me for, I think this is over here.
Then he gave me something.
Here, right?
Yeah, that. He did get something else.
All right, let's, Ms. Green, are you there? All right, let's see, Ms. Green.
Right here.
All right, I have the probation report here. So I only see one test result.
I'm not sure why. I've been going every week. So again, I do have a hard copy.
Are you,
This is dated 4/6/2022. I ordered you to screen once per week on 1/6/2022. I have a negative result on 2/4/2022. There should be plenty more results. I don't know what you have, but that needs to go through probation.
where are you testing at, Ms. Gentry?
In Redford, it's a on-site drug testing facility, and they do both. They do a hard copy, and that's the copy that I have. And then they also log it into the computer. That is what the representative there explained to me. So I'm not sure why on that end they didn't follow through, but I do have a hard copy.
And Your Honor, do you have a number, fax number?
I don't have a fax number, I have an email address.
Ms. Gentry, are you at work?
Not at the moment.
Do you have a scanner or?
I can go in and scan it to you. To the office. I have to go into the office after this meeting. I just stayed here for privacy.
Your Honor, would you like her to scan it in and we come back at 1:30?
Yeah, let's do that. And again, I'm not gonna be the go-between between probation and this office. I don't know anything about this office. All I know is that what I ordered to do, and I would hope that in the future that you make sure that the probation officer gets whatever kind of report and kind of don't rely on that company, because obviously if what you're claiming is correct, is it's obviously not showing up here and reflecting here what you say is going on. So let's see what you have. Unfortunately, I'm told that the probation officer is not here today. We won't be here tomorrow. So why don't we do this? Why don't you come back on Monday?
Okay. What time is that, Your Honor?
8:30 and whatever. I really just need this. I really would like you or Ms. Gentry to get in touch with the probation officer before you come in here and get that stuff verified. And that way, if it's verified, then I don't need to see anything.
Okay.
But if, and I don't need Ms. Gentry to come back. But if it's not verified, then we're going to have an issue.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Tomorrow the court is closed.
That's why I said Monday.
Right. So Monday at 8:30, he probably won't get a chance to talk to him, Your Honor, that early in the morning.
I mean, I'm not so hard on time. I'm looking at getting it verified. Mr. Land knows how to get in touch with the court. It's not, it could be, hopefully it's a non-issue. Hopefully what Ms. Gentry is saying is can be verified, and we'll move on. But Mr. Land, just I'm sure you get that information to Mr. Delatorre, the probation officer. Let him verify that. If he tells me that's good, then that's good.
Okay.
All right. If not, we know how to we know how to get you back in here.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, you have a date of pre-trial date of 7/7/2022 at 8:30 a.m. If there's nothing further, Have a great day.
All right, thanks. Everyone stay safe and take care.
Good stuff.
Am I setting the month for 2015 for a formal hearing or just a review?
Just,
Like, this is, I think it's the 27th.
no, they just gonna use it. Just leave it out there.
Oh, you put a date out,
No, you can put the date out there for the next 4 days, pay by.
day by day, for that.
And
Okay,
then set the other ones for the trial, the 2 ones for trial.
okay, right, okay.
All right, let's get this. Trying to get this, where is this? Green,
Oh, let me see if I got it.
Kenja Green,
Kenji?
yes.
You're doing-
NJA. Ms. Green, are you there?
Yes, sir.
That's Mr. Green. I guess that is the lady. I guess I did call her face. All right. Did I call Kenja Green's cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, we did, Your Honor. You were very accommodating for Ms. Green. We appreciate your wisdom and justice on that. But we did call all our cases. Thank you again on her behalf.
All right, Attorney Pucci, who do you have?
What about Gordon?
Hold on a second now. Lynetta Gordon?
Yes.
All right, I have you checked in. All right, Attorney Pucci, who do you have?
Your Honor, good morning. I have Falaz Zouen.
Is he on my docket?
Yes, that's name Zuen.
Page 1, Your Honor, 835 at the bottom.
I'm just surprised, how does he get on my docket?
His last name Gue.
Z as in zebra, Uen.
No, it's W.
Oh, is it
W-E-N. W-E-N. Z-W-E-N.
All right, it's got you here. So this is the city of Detroit. This is Al Hassan Zuen. Case number U617121. Hearings for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Get away from the door.
All right,
Get away from the door, please.
You're gonna have to
I'm
be
reading.
quiet, ma'am. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tom.
Good morning, Your Honor. Julian Puda, P67520 on behalf of the defendant Falaz Zouen.
What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd like to have the matter set for trial.
All right. Trial, June the 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, have a great day.
You too. Take care.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
There was some disturbance when you called the case. I got U617, and what's the rest of that case number?
13221.
Thank you.
All right. What about Rodney Green?
Right here, Your Honor.
Did you ever get a lawyer, sir?
Yes, Cena Gray is my lawyer.
Yeah, is she here?
She have not reached out to me. I've been here since 8:30.
All right, well, she's not here. I'll wait on her to come.
Thank you.
Let's move on. Brandon Gadsden.
Gates.
Gadsden. How do you
No.
pronounce it?
Oh, no. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I'm the wrong person.
Brandon Gadsden. Is he here? I guess he left and walked away somewhere. Are you Devin Gates?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Devin Javon Gate. Case number SP 1135606. Counts 1 and 2. SP that's right, that SP 124-26091 and SP 124-26101. Appearance for the record.
Morning, Harry Boffin for the defendant, Mr. Gates. Announce your name, please.
Devin Gates.
All right, Mr. Gates, your offer is going to be to plead to the improper plates. That's a $240 fine. And that'll be dismissed. Are you showing me that you have plates?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You showing me you got it? That's insurance. You got plates for the vehicle?
I'm sorry. My girl, she got an appointment today at Secretary of State at 3 o'clock p.m. On 8 Mile and DeQuinder to get the plates. I got the money, everything. I got my license.
You have your driver's license?
Yep, I'm waiting on it to come in the mail. It should be here by tomorrow. This is the temporary paper one, and here's my identification card. And I got the receipt too. Got the receipt. They made me pay $380. Is it 300? It was just the receipt right here. Oh, yes, I'm here. They made me pay.
Hold on, slow down a second, Mr. Gates. Slow down.
I'm sorry.
Your Honor, you can go ahead and dismiss this matter. And if you come back with the same thing again, I won't give them this type of deal again, Your Honor.
So you're gonna dismiss all the matters?
Is on the record, there's only one.
No, he's got driver while license suspended, improper plates, an equipment violation, and disregard the red signal. I do see that he has a valid driver's license.
Okay, in that case, it would just do the blockading.
All right, so sir, the offer's gonna be blocking traffic for the disregard the red signal. That's saving you 3 points on your driver's license, and that is $175 fine. The rest of the tickets will be dismissed. You want to take that deal?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the response?
For the purpose, yes, for the purpose of the plea here today, we so stipulate, Your Honor. Thank you.
Will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Absolutely, yes, so stipulated. Thank you.
Can you pay this I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. When can your client pay this $175?
I could pay it Monday. Monday, Your Honor.
All right, I want it paid by Monday, sir. I'm gonna have you back here on Tuesday to make sure it's paid.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I want you back on, what is that? April 12th. You
That's
pay
my
that,
birthday.
you pay that, that's your birthday?
No, my little brother's birthday, he passed.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear about that.
It's okay, thank you.
Pay that, and then he did that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you pay that, come down here to the court and pay that. And if you pay it one of those two ways, It should bring up instantly, and I have you back on Tuesday. We'll get you in and out of here quickly.
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. You guys have a nice day too.
All right, Counselor, who do you have?
If that's for me, Your Honor, Khalil Anderson.
Is he on my docket?
Actually, we had Judge Archer's record, and then Tammy from Judge Archer sent me to you. I'm trying to figure out where we're supposed to be, actually.
I don't believe you have his file here.
Which one, you?
You know, and there's a third judge, Ramsey Heath, so I'll try over there, Judge.
All right, let me see.
Okay.
Khalil Christian Anderson?
Yep, that's correct.
Oh, he's there for a probable cause conference. Yeah. So he's supposed to go back to Archer. Let's see.
Let's see.
Exam day.
Kevin Robbins.
Attorney Robbins.
Kevin Robbins courtroom.
Is that where it's supposed to go?
Yes, he right here, 4/7 at 8:30, Kevin Robbins courtroom. So that one.
Yeah, you're supposed to be in Robbins court, and I don't think he's next door now.
No, he's in criminal, so he's oh, where's that new one? Let me see if I can find a new document.
All right, we'll get you in the right place. I think my clerk is on the right here.
He's in courtroom 440.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
That's a different, the Zoom ID, that's a different type of Zoom ID over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the listing, Judge. I got the listing for all the courtrooms.
All right,
Okay.
have a great day.
Thank you very much. Appreciate both your help. Thanks, Dante.
All right, Mr. Gatson, is he still asleep? All right, let's move on.
I'm here, Your Honor. Good morning.
Oh, there he is. He woke up.
Yeah.
You better go get on.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. What's your middle name, sir?
No middle name,
Charles.
just Charlie Gatson the fourth.
Oh, that's him.
No, I'm talking about Brandon Gatson. Oh,
Oh, we
Charles.
got another. I'm here, Charlie.
You're here for a review. This is the city of Detroit versus Brandon LaCharles Gatson, case number SP 120-80513. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Brandon with Charles Getson.
Thank you.
Oh,
You just pay that money, sir?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute ago, that's where you weren't sleeping there. You went and paid the money at the kiosk.
I paid it online, went through the kiosk.
It went through on the kiosk,
Yes, sir.
and you uploaded the DivDat app to your phone?
Yes, sir.
There it is. All right, we're gonna close the matter out. We're gonna dismiss the case, like we said. I don't see him owing any more money. SP 120.
That was the last of the tickets.
Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna close out the case that I called. We're gonna dismiss that case. SP 120-80513. I'm gonna dismiss it. All right.
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. about doing some,
It's 15 people online right now.
who's on the phone?
14 besides us.
Kathy Gordon.
All right, I'm gonna put them out.
I
Who's on
DJ.
the phone?
Lynetta Gordon.
I don't know if you heard me, George.
Hold on a second, let's slow down. All right. Mike, Maurice Levette,
Yes.
you're here for trial. And you're gonna, it's gonna be another few minutes for you. Because we're gonna wait and see, we're gonna give the officers a grace period, see if they check in. But I have you checked in. Summer Leamy.
Hello, can they hear me?
Or is that Summer Leamy?
Summer Limley?
Summer Lily?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, I don't, let me see if I see.
Okay.
I don't
Yes,
see
can you hear me?
I don't see you on the docket today.
8:30, Your Honor, right, above Antonio Lewis.
Okay, there we go.
So Summer Limley not going?
Operating while impaired.
Is this your first appearance? This is our first appearance. We're gonna get her another right now. This is the city of Detroit versus Summer Makia Lindley.
Yes.
All right, this is case number Z8083621. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Miss Lindley, would you announce your name for the court?
I'm Summer Makia Limley.
One more time, I went in and out on my device. Could you repeat, please?
Summer Makia Limley.
Thank you, Miss Lindley. Your Honor, we're waiving any more formal reading of the information or complaint and this charge. We are asking that the court accept a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant and ask that the matter be set for a pretrial due to the nature of the charges.
Are you gonna hire your own attorney, ma'am?
I need to see about some court appointed because the attorney, I've had a couple court dates like pushed back. I've had a couple different court dates, so the attorney that I had is unavailable right now, so I need to get another attorney.
Well, I don't know if you've had, let's see. So you have been in front of me before?
No, I haven't been in front of anyone. It happened last July, and this is my first time being in front of the court. My court date has been pushed back a couple times.
Bring it on the bench more.
I'm gonna get that file.
Okay. All right, well, what about so we need to set some conditions up for your client, Mr. Bachman. I need to get your client to start testing, ma'am. Let's arraign her right now.
We waive a more formal reading of the information complaint and stand mute for arraignment purposes. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll let a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We will, I want to order you not to drink during the pendency of this case. And I'm going to order you not to go frequent any places where their principal place of business is to sell alcohol, man, like bars and nightclubs and stuff like that. I'm also going to order you to test one time random.
I don't know if someone is clicking in, but it's not. I'm having a hard time hearing everyone.
Did you hear what I said?
You don't want to hear that.
Mr. Farmer, I hear your conversation.
Please, everyone mute your devices as
I'm gonna mute them all.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so can you hear me better now, Ms. Lindley?
Yes, I can hear you now.
All right, so you understand, we're gonna enter now guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna put a $0 bond on your client. Well, no, let me put a $500 personal bond on your client. I'm gonna order you to test 1 time per week, random. I'm gonna order you to not frequent any bars, nightclubs. No drinking during the pendency of this case. And I want you to get in contact with probation. I want you to have the probation number. You have an ink pen, ma'am?
1 second.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Dante Goss on behalf of the people. Your Honor, I believe Ms. Limley is a former client of mine, so I will be recusing myself of this on this matter and supervising ACC Shannon Walker will be handling this matter.
All right, I need you to get in contact with probation. If they don't call you by Monday morning, I need you to contact them at this number, 313-965-3414.
And who am I asking to speak with?
Well, you're gonna just let them know. They should contact you, but you'll let them know, you'll give them the case number and let them know that you haven't heard from them, so you're reaching out. I want you to be proactive on this. I need to get a court appointed. Do you have an email address where we can get you this court appointed application?
Hey, that's fine. I do have an email address. Yes, my should I SLEM? So it's my first initial and my last name, S Limley, SLEMLE95@gmail.com.
All right, we're gonna send you an application for that court-appointed attorney. You need to get on that real quick, get what kind of response you get back from them. I'm gonna give you 45 days pre-trial. May the 23rd, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Okay.
So let's see if we can get that lawyer. I suggest that you get that in as soon as possible so that you can get an answer. I'd like to see you come in here with the lawyer for this, and not just have the lawyer that's in the courtroom today, which have a
That's
super.
I'm not sure. I know the lawyer that just stepped out, Dante Goss. I don't know if he's still in, if I can get his information again.
No, he's actually the one on the other side now.
Oh, got you. Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah,
okay,
I'm a
one
prosecutor
problem.
now, Summer.
Oh, congratulations. But I have one problem, Your Honor.
What's that?
I have, when the situation happened, you know that they take your physical license. And I work for Chrysler, and I work in the 9190 department where I'm now driving their cars, and I no longer have that paper. Like I said, the case has almost been a year. Is there any way that I can go about having someone refill that out so I could take it back to my job? Like Secretary of State told me that they can't reissue it. Like I'm basically driving more. I don't have a physical license or the paper, but my license is valid. Like I don't have any tickets or anything.
Right. I think that you would probably have to go back to the issuing office. I don't know, maybe Mr. Goss, do you know what she can do about that as far as going back to the issuing officer or at least the precinct and finding out if they can write you up another one of those slips? It's nothing I have that I can do. Mr. Baughman, you want to speak to her in a breakout room? I don't know.
I could. I don't have the absolute answer for that. It'd be my first time ever encountering that, but I would certainly go back to the official that issued that citation and
I've
ask.
talked to everyone. I've talked to 36. I've talked to 8 precinct, and they all told me that I would have to go back to court because literally no one could determine how they could do it. I'm like, could I just have the officer reissue me the same paper? And they're like, I'm like, even with the paper that was almost a year ago, like paper deteriorates at that time. So
They may have a file with a copy of what they issued to you. I believe those are duplicates.
I would think that they would have to have that. They don't give us any of that here. And I don't even have her file, counselor. I'm just looking at an ROA. So I don't even have an actual ticket at all. So I don't have any discovery in front of me or anything. So you're gonna have to talk with whatever lawyer that you get, ma'am, to see if they can assist you on that.
okay.
All right. I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you back on May the 23rd, 2022 at 8:30. And you should hear from probation. If you don't hear from probation, reach out to them by Monday morning. If you have a problem, give us a call because I want you to start testing no later than next week.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, good luck to you.
Thank you. You have a good day.
All right, counselor. Is there a lawyer here? Is that D. Farmer? All right, let's move on. Lynette Gordon. You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Judge Perkins,
Yes.
I
Hello.
am logging in for Michael Lloyd.
Michael Lloyd? All right.
Yes.
All right. Is he here?
Yes, he's here.
I don't know if you're aware, but Khadijah George is here as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna take an inventory on who's here and who's George. I'll write you down now. Just give me a moment. Let me take an inventory.
Can you hear me, Judge?
Yes. This is Lynette Gordon.
Yes. Yes.
All right, let me get this lawyer out of here and I'll call you next, Ms. Gordon. All right.
Okay.
Lloyd. See Michael Lloyd's file. Where are you, Mr. Lloyd?
Okay.
Can you hear me, Judge?
Yes. Are you with your attorney now?
No, I don't have an attorney now.
So who is D. Farmer then?
I'm just using her phone, sir.
Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna go. I thought you were represented by counsel. I'm gonna call Ms. Gordon.
Yeah.
Right, this is the city of Detroit versus Lynette Treese Gordon, case number SP12. Strike that. SP1090127 SP9878081 SX3782977 SX3849890 SP1101843 SX3782977 SX3849890 498902, SP 9878041, SX 2861075 1446976681. Strike that. 1446976682. 15113251. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman, P 55052 on behalf of Ms. Gordon. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Lynetta Patrice Gordon.
Thank you.
Gordon, did you take the defensive driving course?
Yes, I did.
I didn't hear you.
Can you hear me? Yes. Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yeah, I can hear you. Did you send me that? Did you send me that course?
Send you the course?
Did you send me the completion of the course?
I don't. How do I send it to you? I don't know how to send it.
If you don't know how to call in, if you don't know how to zoom in, and all you have is, you're gonna have to come down to the court and bring it, or you're gonna have to email it to me.
It's right here.
I can't see it over the phone.
Oh. Okay.
That's why I
So
laugh.
I have to. Let me see.
I'm
Let
gonna
me
need
see if I
be
can.
quiet. Go ahead.
So do you want me to get your email number and email it to you?
Please do, ma'am.
Okay, let me get an ink pen right quick. Okay, what's your email, Judge?
My email address is SEAN.
SEAN, period.
PERKINS at 3636th districtcourt.org.
Wait a minute, 36 district?
36districtcourt.org.
.org. Okay. Let me see if I can email it to you now, because I took a picture of it as well.
All right, email me that. I'm gonna pass the matter until we get that, and then Mr. Goss, Miss Gordon is gonna need an offer.
Let me take the picture of it. Where is it? SEA. Oh, it's so slow. don't know why it's going so slow, huh? Can you
All
come
right,
do
we're
this?
gonna pass the matter and, we'll see if you can get that into us, all right?
Yeah, it's going slow. I'm sending it now, but it's going slow.
All right, we still gotta get an offer, all right, let's move on.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Green, did your counselor show up yet? All right, Mr. Lee, or was that Miss Lee? I'm sorry. Ariane Lee?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. How are you, ma'am?
Hello?
How are you? Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. This is gonna need an updated offer as well. Wait a minute, not necessarily. This is the city of Detroit versus Ariane.
Ariane.
Alexis
Yes.
Lee.
Yes.
Case numbers SP 111-429-11, SP 111-6059, counts 1, 2, and 3, all of which are in warrant status. SP 11-886711. SP 1886721. SP 124-4986, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Bob.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Bachman.
Don't actually see Mr. Bachman on your.
Is he
Yes,
not?
I do. Yes, I do. Mr. Bachman, unmute, please.
Here, I'm not reading anything. I didn't get a transmission. For the record, though, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, Miss Lee, please?
Yes, Ariane Lee.
Thank you.
All right, she's got only one case on the docket today, but some more are sitting here. I only have an offer. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases. And I only have an offer for 1, 2, 3, 4 of those cases. So I'm gonna have to get an updated offer. Mr. Goss, I got 2 files that I need updated offers on. So, Ms. Lee, I'm gonna have to pass your matter until we get you an updated offer, unless you just want to get a trial date.
Okay, that's fine.
You want a trial date, man?
Yes, that's cool.
All right, we'll give her a trial date in the matters. How old are you, ma'am?
23.
Can you come down here and pay these reinstatement fees up front? 1, 2, you have $180?
Yes, 100. Yes, I do. Can I pay it Thursday? Is that cool?
You can pay it Thursday.
Okay. Yeah, that's no problem.
Pay the reinstatement fees up front. That way you can potentially, have you ever had a driver's license before?
Yes.
That way you can potentially go get another driver's license if you don't have anything else in any other jurisdiction.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Where are you, ma'am?
Right now at work.
I need to see your face.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right. let's see.
Did you do it?
Trial, 9 a.m. Come down here and pay these reinstatement fees up front. It's 180. It's gonna be a total of
I
180.
did. 180?
Yep.
Okay, okay, thank you.
And then come back on June the 17th, 2022 for your trial date.
Okay, okay, thank you.
If you don't show back up, then it's gonna get all suspended again, and it's just gonna cost you more money. So make sure you show back up on June 17th.
Okay, got you. Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a great day, man.
You too.
Did you get the email, Judge? Did you get the email, Judge?
No, I haven't gotten it yet.
Said it was sent. Yes.
All right. Let's is there an officer here for Maurice Levette? No officers here? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Maurice Jermaine Levette. Case number is SP 1213724, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1218811, counts 1, 2, and 3. 12-45-26751, U-622-49121. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name for the record, please?
Please, Jermaine Levitt.
Thank you, Mr. Levitt.
Right. Strike that last case number. That U-622-49121 does not go to Mr. Levitt. Strike that from the record. All right. This is
breakout room for matters are set for trial, Your Honor. If there's no complaining witness, we move to dismiss without prejudice.
all right. All right. How is it? Let's see.
I sent it twice, Judge.
All right, when I get it, I'll let you know.
Okay.
So. What did you do with this 12-4-5-2-6-7-5-1 case, sir? You were on probation for a no ops ticket. Did you pay that?
Yeah, I just came to court with you Monday. You guys threw that out. I just had you Monday for that ticket.
All right, and you paid it. How did it get thrown out?
It was every time I come to court, you guys always bring this up. I've been paid that ticket and did probation for it.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, I think it was $100, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. Every time I come to court, they bring it up, but I've been did everything for that probation.
Let's seeing no officers, is there an officer Seeing no officers at all in the court, I don't even have to call any. Asprey, Jackson, Smith, hearing no responses. I'm gonna grant your motion, Counselor, to dismiss these cases for no officer. And then I'm gonna close out this probation case. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Good morning.
Hey, Judge. How are you?
Very well, about yourself.
It's opening day of baseball today. A lot of people don't know that.
It's not opening day today, is it?
Not for the Tigers, but for Major
Oh,
League
yeah.
Baseball.
All right. What do you have?
On that shade person, she's been negative. You want us to check on her screens. She's been negative all the way through and tested consistently as well.
Very well.
Yeah.
That was something that, here, I just got this one report here, and it didn't say anything, but this is what I got.
Yeah, what that is, those are our probation notes. I happen to call the testing center today. She even emailed me all the results, and this person's been tested regularly every week. Very well clean.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's most, thank you for the.
Yeah.
All right, let's check some people in. I got some people that are on the phone here. I know Mrs. Lynette Gordon, right? You're on the phone waiting. We've already talked to you. All right, Counselor Culver.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Are you ready for Mr. Rodney Green?
I am, Your Honor. When I appeared before your on January 1st, I was just a little confused. I know the court gave a final pre-trial conference date of 4/8/22, a jury trial date of 4/21/22. Mr. Green contacted my office this morning and said for sign on. So I'm signing on, but it was on my calendar for tomorrow, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Rodney Green, case number Z80732331. Here for the record, please.
Yes, Sina Cobra Gray appearing on behalf of Rodney Green, who is present and ready to proceed via Zoom, Your Honor.
Can I have your P number, Miss Colbert Gray?
Yes, it's P5234. And Your Honor, may I confirm again? I know you called the case number. Is it Z8073231?
Z8073231.
Yes, Your Honor, that is in fact my case.
Right. What's your client? Do you have a middle name, Mr. Green?
No, sir.
What about a date of birth? Well, I got the file here. Oh, I don't see this case. What about a date of birth?
3/23/69.
All right, what are we gonna do with all these outstanding balances that you owe on these other tickets?
I'm gonna have to take care of that as well.
I know, but really the question is when.
How much is it?
You owe 234, you owe a total of, notwithstanding this $95, you owe a total of, $1,772.
Well, I'll start paying, the 15th. I'll pay a portion. If it's possible, I'll pay bi-weekly. A portion of it until it's done, if that's possible.
Well, I'm not gonna supervise, I can get you to the, payment plan people, and they can supervise a payment plan for you.
Sure.
I'm not gonna supervise the payment plan.
Okay, I'd appreciate that then, sir.
You wanna go to the payment plan people, can we get them?
Pardon me?
I'm talking this Nash. All right, so let's see about this case here. Have you been testing, sir?
Yes, sir. I had testing, after you guys stopped me from testing. That was the last time we had court, I do believe.
Was that a motion that you made, Counselor?
Yes,
Okay,
Your Honor. In
I see.
2021, I appeared before Your Honor, and you granted my motion for no more testing at that point, based on the consistency that he was testing with no positive score, Your Honor.
I remember it. All right, so is that jury trial date of the 21st? Is that one of our dates, or did they have to get it? We got to get another date. If this case does plan to go to trial, Ms. Wright?
Your Honor, there's a great likelihood that it is going to try.
All right.
I think that was August the 9th. It was 2 dates, but.
Yeah, this is not one of the.
August 9th, and I think today.
All right, so we're not gonna go April 21st. I know that. Let me get the date. And really, it's gonna be the latter date. This case is not gonna go until September now. All right. So the only dates that I have I have Tuesday, May the 10th. You want to check our calendar for that? Or August the 9th, 2022. And I'm going to set a final pretrial a day before, just to assure that the parties are likely. What's the likelihood of it going? That's May the 10th.
I'm available.
Repeat that, Counselor.
I am available, Your Honor, on August the 9th, 2022.
All right, August the 9th.
He said it's okay to have all that. I asked him, he said it's okay to have it. Mr. Navy, I said, but we already had a couple.
Well,
I don't know how this is possible.
I don't either, but you're not available May the 10th?
No, Your Honor.
Well, we got 10 jury trials scheduled for. I only have 2 jury trial dates that they've given us, May the 10th and August the 9th.
I can make myself available on Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, you could try it. August the 9th, and we'll have you back in on August the 8th for a final pretrial. They want to schedule this final pretrial a day before to see if there's any kind of resolution. So I'm going to set a final pretrial for August the 8th, 2022, and a jury trial date for August the 9th, 2022.
Thank you, Your Honor. And will the 8th be a Zoom?
You want, I would say no.
Understood, Your Honor.
I would say no. Oh, the 8th, yeah, the 8th is Zoom. That's fine. But the jury trial, that'll be definitely in person.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so do we need to, what about this money, sir? Do you want to contact collections on this, or you want me to put a date on here and you pay this, you get this stuff paid off? Will you have that $1,700 paid off by before August the 8th?
Yeah.
All right, we'll allow you to August the 8th. If not, we're gonna send you down to collections on that date, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Counselor, you and your client have a very good day.
And you do the same, Your Honor. Like, I think.
All right. Mr. Goss, are you there?
He's in the bathroom.
All right, let me do some, Lloyd, Michael Lloyd.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm looking up. I don't see why your name is not coming up. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Lloyd. Case numbers SP 7672791, 15-430-9151, and 17-336-7851. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please, sir?
Michael Anthony Lloyd.
Thank you.
All right, sir, you owe some money on some old tickets as well.
Yes, sir. I do.
Let's see what the offer says here. All right, the counselor, it says plead to the amended count of failure to display, that's $240, and dismiss the other two matters. I'll waive the warrant fees. He'll be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees. They are old cases. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. If you want to go that route, we can get you a trial date. That'll be 6/17/2022. And we can, Ms. Gentry, I already got your information. You've already been, the probation department verified that, but next time, please, pull over before you sign in, all right? So you don't have to come back until 7/7 now, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too,
All right.
bye-bye.
So, Counselor, I can allow you to speak with Mr. Bachman in a breakout room regarding this matter, sir. And you can inform me on what you want to do, how you want to move forward, all right?
Yes, sir.
Did you say the next action date was June?
June 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Understood. Mr. Lloyd, would you meet me in room 2? I'll be there to speak to you, okay?
Okay.
How do you do that?
How do I do that?
Should be a button down there, join breakout room. Who else is that driving that car? Are you driving on that iPhone now?
George, I'm driving as well.
All right, you guys need to sign off or pull over. Sign off and join back on.
Nope, I'll actually pull over. I'm trying to get to work.
Well, I can't help that. Just sign off then.
No, I'm about to pull over, sir.
All right, well, if Mr. Farmer, you gotta join that breakout room. I think they're having technological difficulties.
Yeah.
D Farmer, right? There they go. It appears, no, they didn't get in there.
I'm just trying to find the breakout room button.
You got the nice graphic there. I thought it looked like you might really been technologically sophisticated with all that.
I thought I was as well.
I'll put you out on the iPhone until you get pulled over. Call back in.
Okay, I'm not driving.
No, the other person on the iPhone. I got two iPhones.
Pulling over right now. I had to wait to pass the light, sir.
Oh.
I am pulled over.
All right, very well. You say you're on your way to work?
Yes, sir.
What's your name, ma'am?
Khadijah George.
Okay, very well. Let's get Khadijah George's file. Here we go. This is the city of Detroit versus Khadijah Rashawn George. Case number SP 125-29361 and SP 125-29451. Appearance for the please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ms. George, state your name for the record.
Khadijah Rashawn George.
Thank you, ma'am.
Offer, ma'am, to clear this up. Amended count of blocking traffic, $175. We'll dismiss the other case. You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can speak to Mr. Bachman in a breakout room if you need to.
Okay.
Want to take the deal or you want to speak to the trial?
No, I want to go to trial.
You want to go to trial on a failure to stop ticket and no insurance?
Correct.
All right, trial date. It's going to be June the 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, man.
You too.
Sometimes you got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them. Right? You know, but you know, everybody got their own way of handling their business. Who's on the other iPhone, ma'am?
Lynetta.
Say that again.
Lynetta Gordon.
Oh, that's Lynetta Gordon. I'm still waiting on Goss to come in here and give me an offer on that. Go join that room. They finally found that breakout room for Lloyd, Mr. Bachman.
Okay, here I go.
still waiting on an offer for you. I summoned them in here, so. All right, now we have, I thought you were on the telephone, Miss Gordon.
I am. I'm on my iPhone.
No, I'm not. You're on your iPhone, but you're calling in on a number as well?
I think so. I didn't know. Yeah, I did. I don't know.
1-734-795-5. That number?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Who's on the number 742-7160?
Giddings, Raymond Giddings.
Oh, Giddings. Where is Giddings from? Lord. Giddings. Oh, Giddings didn't have his date. Here.
That is from
Here.
4-3.
See if we can get Mr. Giddings out of here. I need offers on this board. Lynetta Gordon, did you take the class? You said, did you take the class, Ms. Gordon?
Yes, I did.
And you said you were going to send me that. She said she took it.
I did send it to you. I sent it to the email you gave me, Perkins Perkins 36th District @
No, you all messed it up. SPANP.Sean.Perkins @ 36th District Court.org.
Hold on, let me do it.
I can send it to you in the chat now that I know you're on that iPhone.
Okay. Because pretty not that smart. Pretty not that smart with all this stuff. You said, oh, I did it real wrong. You said Sean.Perkins @ 36th District.org.
I said Sean.Perkins @ 36th District Court.org. It's in the chat. So if you go on your iPhone and you see that chat button down there, you can push that chat button and it'll get you to you'll see the note.
Hold on, let me see. I don't know how to do all that. Herm, can you come help me? I don't know how to do it.
I said go down to the bottom of your screen and it should be a chat button there. Hit that chat button and you'll see the conversations that have been going on.
I see it.
All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Layman George III. Case numbers SP122-66091, SP122-6593, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. So there's no attorney in here. Mr. George, do you have valid insurance on this vehicle?
No, I no longer drive the vehicle.
All right, he's got no insurance misdemeanor, a defective equipment, and basically 2 defective equipment tickets. Defective or missing equipment. And defective equipment. What do you want to do for us? All right, 1 defective equipment, sir, will dismiss the other cases, $120.
Okay.
You want to take that deal?
Yeah, I'm a disabled vet. I have a lot of illnesses, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. What do I need to do?
All right, sir. Because of your service, that's moved the city attorney to dismiss the matters and just make sure whatever you got on that vehicle, if you're still operating it, make sure it gets, taken care of.
Oh, thank you. I don't drive the vehicle no more. I'm not able. I let my license expired, and it was my birthday, March 26th. I have to get the license back. I don't drive no more.
We're going to dismiss the matter. Thank you for your service, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey. Forget, Gordon, Apple, our state.
District.
All right.
.org.
Did you find Miss Gordon?
Yeah, I found it.
All right. Who else do we have left?
Yeah, I found it. What I did was I didn't put the TH on the end of the 36.
All right.
$400, but I'm trying to waive.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Lloyd. Give an opportunity, Mr. Lloyd, to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what is your client going to do?
Client is going to accept the plea offer and plead guilty to the reduced charge. Your Honor, we're asking respectfully if the court would consider reducing the charge to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive here. The defendant has an immediate need for a license and cannot afford to incur the 30-day suspension, which might accompany a failure to display plea here. He's got specifically a new position at his job, which is going to require that he have a driver's license as soon as possible. He is willing and able to pay fines and costs today in order to expedite his return to a valid driver's license status. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you want to take this deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, sir, I'm going to draw your attention back, way back to October 30th, 2016 at around 8:48 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Vassar and Schaefer. You recall being pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Near Lasher and Schaefer?
Vassar and Schaefer.
Yes, I remember.
And did you remember that police officer asking you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so on that day, could you, sir?
I could not.
Why is that?
I didn't have one, sir.
All right, I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm also going to, with the stipulation of probable cause, dismiss the other matters. Did I get that
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor. We'd also stipulate I'm stipulating the probable cause. Thank you, Your Honor.
To dismiss 15-4309151, and I'm going to dismiss 17-3367-851. Sir, you're going to owe these civil infractions, and I'm going to waive the warrant fees and waive the reinstatement fees. No, strike that. You waive the warrant fee and pay the reinstatement fees. All right. I'll dismiss, I'm gonna fine you $240 for the allowing, and I'm gonna dismiss that upon payment.
I'm about to do that.
You're gonna have to, pay, these other matters. When can you pay?
I want to pay them today, but what are they, sir?
All right, these are old matters,
Can my bond cover them and we pay the current fees today?
I don't know what your bond is.
He's got a $400 bond. Your Honor.
You owe the court, after today, $1,161.
The money that you have up for the 400, can that, you dismiss some, can that cover that? Then you
I
pay
shouldn't
the
owe that
240.
much money. All what I owe was what I told you on that thing.
Exactly.
I'm telling you what you owe, sir.
Hey, okay, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You just trying to make sure.
When can you pay?
Does the 400 cover the delay, the old?
Does the 400, can it cover the old tickets as much as possible?
400 will cover whatever you got. You just, the 400 will cover that. Then if you have a $400 bond, then you'll owe $761. That'll get you clearances here today, and this case dismissed.
Okay.
When can you pay it, sir?
I'll do it today.
All right, if you pay it today, you can zoom back in at 1:30. We can close this stuff out. I would come down to the court and pay that now, and then wait 48 to 72 hours before you approach the Secretary of State. All right.
And I'll be able to get my license.
I don't know if you have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions, then.
No, I don't.
All right, so you should be able to get your license, but it's gonna take about, if you come down today, it's gonna take about 48 to 72 hours for you to approach the Secretary of State. Unless they can give you a clearance right there. When you come down, you can ask for clearances right here and take it to the Secretary of State.
Okay, thank you. That's what I'll do.
I'm gonna put down here that, what's the day? If you're gonna come down today, I'm gonna have you back tomorrow morning just for a review, so we can close this all out properly. 8:25 a.m., all right?
8:25 a.m. tomorrow morning?
Yeah, and then I'll just, oh, no, strike that. No, Ms. Nash is not coming in tomorrow, nor am I.
Can we come back to 1:30?
Come back at 1:30 today if you got all that stuff.
Okay.
All right. If it's nothing further, have a great day. I'll just put in here by the 11th. Anyway, if I don't see you today, come back on the 11th, all right?
Okay, you'll see me today.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
My attorney, is he coming back?
No, he's not. He already did his job. He's
Okay.
clear.
All right, thank you.
He said he kept you out of jail.
Right. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a great day.
You
Have
too.
a great day to you.
All right.
Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Lynetta Patrice Gordon. Miss Gordon, I got an offer for you now. Pretty good deal here. You got one failure to display a valid driver's license. That's $240. I'll give her the allowing too, since I gave it to him. $240 dismissed upon payment of the $240. And then the other limited access 70 and a 60. That's $135. That's going to be 1 point on your driver's license. And then the other cases, misdemeanor cases, will be dismissed. Why did I call all those cases?
Are they all here?
I just want to see the status of it. All right, ma'am, you want to take that deal or you want to go to trial? What would you like to do, ma'am?
How much is it altogether?
Well, altogether, that's a whole different story.
How much did he say? How much did you say?
Today, hold on a second.
Because I can't hear. Where that ink pen at? Because I can't hear them. I need to write stuff down. Okay, what's that? My money.
All right, did you get the, can you hear me now, ma'am?
I can hear you.
All right, so the deal is gonna be plead to the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and dismiss the, and the limited access ticket, 70 and a 60, and dismiss the other, other pending matters.
Yes.
You want to take that deal?
Yes, I do.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to
Hello?
yeah, let me find the case here that they want you to plead to. Excuse me. Right. Let me draw your attention back to April the 19th, 2019, at around 11:09 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan and Junction. Ma'am, did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes, sir.
And on that date, ma'am, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I'm sorry.
Why couldn't you do so?
It's been there.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'll fine you $240 for that. And I'll dismiss that upon payment of the $240. As for the speeding ticket, ma'am, when you stipulate, well, let's see, on September the 29th, 2020, at around 3:16 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Chicago Boulevard and Rosa Parks, ma'am, do you recall being pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that date?
Yes, sir.
On that date, were you pulled over for speeding, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
And you were pulled over for speeding because you were in fact speeding, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 70 and a 60, and I'm gonna fine you $135 for that. With the stipulation of probable cause, counselor, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, now, when can you pay?
Well, I have to pay the what, the 135 and the 240?
And the 240, and then you got a lot of other fees that I discounted already that you're gonna owe as well. You got a lot of money sitting that you gotta pay down here. I'm gonna waive warrant fees and I'm gonna waive reinstatement fees. I mean,
Thank you, Your
strike that. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees and you're gonna pay the reinstatement fees.
Understood.
So. What about a date, ma'am?
Oh, well, I know on the 13th I'll be able to give $300.
On the 13th?
That's the 13th.
Well, all right, let's have you back on the 14th then, and we'll see if that's, that payment is reached, and we'll get you another date for the other stuff. How about that?
Okay then, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I'll see you back on April the 14th at 8:25. Pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can upload that DivDat app on your phone, or come down to this court and pay that, all right?
Okay then, thank you so much.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day.
You too, thank you.
I'm gonna close out. Close out, case number SX2861075-1. All right.
Oh,
All right, what about Jose? What's that? Jose
Leiva?
Leiva?
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I don't see your name on the docket.
Well, I was on in court and they told me to come to this one.
oh, he was at 438. He got the warrants or something.
A lot of warrants. Valentine?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jose Valentin Leiva, case numbers SP 107-0625, counts 1 and 2. SP 107-06253. SP 11216961. SP 1121735, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 115670, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11560711. SP 11768871, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1217864, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 797270, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1155818, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant, Mr. Leiva. Announce your name to the court, please.
My name is Jose Leiva.
Thank you. I'm assuming that we're here for arraignment on these charges, Your Honor. We'll waive a more formal reading of the information and thank the court for its reading and stand mute. Ask that the matter be set for a pretrial. And from the looks of things, I think the defendant would benefit from the Michigan defensive driving course. I know there's not any sort of offer.
There's no, I'll say this, there's no driving like, moving infractions necessarily that would raise that concern. There's just a lot of tickets. Where have you been, Mr. Leiva?
Well, I had a rough year this year. I got shot in the chest with the 22 bullet, and it's just been typical for me to move around lately. And it's just I don't really have an excuse. It's just it's hard for me to move around right now with all the hospital and in and out of hospital. I was assaulted. My arm is broken in 2 places. I got 3 kids too with ADHD, and trying to get them to school every day it's a rough task.
Well, I wish you the best. That's really, I'm glad to hear that you're still here with us. after being suffering a gunshot wound, that's, I know your kids are happy for that. I see you sitting behind the driver's seat of the car.
Yes, yeah, I had to get out of the house. They like to yell and scream and run around, and this is the only place I could find that would be quiet enough for me to talk.
All right, you want to try to get an offer today, or you want to come back on another day? Or you want to set a trial date? Or do you want to speak to Mr. Baughman in the breakout room as it relates to this stuff?
I think that one would be best, Your Honor.
Speak to Mr. Baughman?
Yes, sir.
All right. Join the room, please.
Get that good.
All right, who do we have? Desmond Farhadi? They've been in here.
Oh, yes, Your Honor. I thought I was unmuted. I'm here.
Did I get the pronunciation of the last name right?
Last name is Farhadi.
Farhadi?
Yes.
I wonder how you get to my court.
He's under us.
Yeah.
He's Southwest.
No.
Is he business license?
No.
Okay, then I don't know. I read out it. I read them.
All right. You are probably one of them. Do we have this file?
No, is he on the docket?
He's on the, no, he's not on the document. Let me see. Let's see. How did you happen to come here today, sir?
So I actually missed the first court date because I didn't know that I had court. So I actually went down to the 36th district and I had talked to somebody at the information desk and she told me to do a motion. So I had went to do the motion and they let me know that I had court today, and I asked the lady to give me the room number and she gave me this one.
He's supposed to be downstairs.
That's just for the stoplight ticket.
The informal, yeah, he's supposed to be downstairs for that. Do everything. Okay, let me grab his file if I can find it.
All right, sit tight. All right, Shanti's iPhone.
Yes, Judge.
What's your name?
Shantice Lee Williams.
Lee Williams. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
I know I've seen you, I believe, before.
I'm sorry, say that again.
Have I seen you before?
Yes, I've been seeing you for the past year, Judge.
What's going on?
I'm good. I'm just glad I'm here to see you.
And that must be a good thing because you got everything taken care of?
Yes, I do, Judge.
All right, let's see what you got. All right.
Only thing I don't have, Judge, is because I keep getting kicked out and I called the customer service for the driving the course. And the lady said she was able to get me back in, but again, I was kicked out. I don't understand
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, sir.
Because you paid the reinstatement fees up front?
Yes, I did. Okay, and I'm sorry, Judge, I got a question for that. So when I went down to Secretary of State to do the written test, she said that I had to pay the reinstatement fee of $125. I could have sworn that's what you had me pay, come down there and pay.
There's all kind of reinstatement fees.
Okay, that's what she said. Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter momentarily. And let's find out, Mr. Leyva. Let's go back on the record with Jose Valentin Leyva. I've given you an opportunity, sir, to speak with counsel in the breakout room. What does your client want to do?
We're asking, Your Honor, respectfully, if you would set the matters for a bench trial by way of Zoom. That way, we can parse out whatever citations may not have a complaining witness to back them up. And then I'm sure that the defendant at that time will place himself in the best position to get his license reinstated after that action date. Please, Your Honor.
June 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m., sir.
June 17th,
Yep, at 9 a.m.
June 17th at 9 a.m. I got it.
All right, you got it? Be careful out there, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You as well.
Okay, so I'm gonna wait on, who's on the phone at 313-926-0730. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Charlie Gatson.
Charlie Gatson.
Yes, sir.
Come on, doctor today. Charlie Gatson. I got Brandon Gatson, but I don't have Charlie Gatson. That's
I was could be. Yeah.
Spell
Yes.
his name,
GATS. I'm late actually. Excuse me, Your Honor.
Is that GATSON
Yes, it is.
and CHARLIE?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you don't have a middle name, right?
Correct.
So.
Yeah, date out there somewhere.
Scheduled for a hearing on 11/29/2022.
That sounds like a show.
Scheduled for trial yesterday. I mean, 2 days ago.
Yeah. I called Ben. I got on the phone late. I was late. Yep. And I called Sonia Nash yesterday. She told me that day she told me yes. She told me to call in today.
Yeah, let's go. We'll just have another trial.
You want to do that now?
Yeah.
Okay. I know it's somewhere.
I apologize, Your Honor. I was waiting to get on this phone and kind of overslept, I think. I got a lot of calls that morning, but got distracted.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Charlie Gatson. Case number is SP-364-898, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP-8277781. SX 366972661. 05 32417 162489 17363231 counts 1 and counts 2, 18340528 counts 1, 2, and 3, 18464171 and 184764 counts 2 and 3. Appears for the record, please. Mr. Walker going that breakout room. See.
Mr. Boffman, unmute.
I'm gonna set a trial date for June 17th, 2022, 9 a.m. You don't show up this time, sir, I'm putting a warrant out for your arrest with a high bond.
I've got it now.
June 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Put your appearance on the record, Counselor, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Thank you, Your Honor.
Counselor, I just want him to know that if he doesn't show up, he missed his trial date the other day, on April the 5th. If he doesn't show up, I'm putting a warrant out for his arrest with the high bond. I already have a warrant out for his arrest. Let's see.
I apologize, Your Honor. I was just getting all those scam calls that morning, and I set my phone to the side, and it was waking me up early, and then I missed the call. I woke up and just got sidetracked, distracted, and got on the phone like 10:30, an hour late.
All right, we'll recall a warrant on 1834056283, 1834058283. We'll recall the warrant on that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, sir. Have a great day. Have a great day. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Desmond Divine Love Rahadi. Case number SP 1225763, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1225764, 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Good morning, Your Honor. State your name, Mr. Farhadi.
Desmond Ferretti.
All right, Mr. Ferrari, you have a reckless driving. That's a 6-point offense and a mandatory suspension of your driver's license for, I believe, 90 days. Also, sir, the only offer that they're willing to do is drag racing. That's a 4-point offense, but it doesn't include the suspension. There's still 4 points on your license. There'll be dismissal of the other 2 counts, $240 fine. I can give your client a trial date, counselor, or I can give your client a pre-trial date to see if he wants to see if somebody can do some work, or if you want to talk to the city attorney now, we can have set that aside and you can talk to the city attorney. What your client want to do, or you can speak with the counselor in the breakout room, sir.
Okay, I would like to do that. Speak to him in the breakout room.
Very well. Join the room, please. Where?
Look at all this, 1, 2, and 3. Back to back.
I did.
That's why they being nice, huh? Give me all kind of compliments on my email. Oh, you answer my emails now. Oh, that's wonderful. It's like, and then Carmen came in with like a clipboard, like she's doing something.
Today.
No, that was what day? You weren't here. You were doing it from home. I said, oh, hi.
right, good morning, Ms. Lashley. Hello?
You said Mr. Gatson?
No, you, Mr. Gatson, you're gone. You can go. You can hang up. June the 17th, 2022.
Yeah, I actually got a card already, but this is for it. That's what threw me off. I wanted to speak to you. I was gonna hold on to speak to you because
Yeah,
somebody they said.
Don't worry about that card. Come back.
Yeah, I'm gonna send this.
Hear you.
Okay, 7:15.
June 17th. I got all your cases scheduled.
Okay, yeah. What the problem was, I thought I was rescheduled, but this is for another Charles Wesley, and they're to appear before a Judge Taylor. So I'm gonna take this to another address. They sent it to. I didn't notice that they sent the card to me. I'm gonna take it around to my business. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to another.
That'll help Mr. Weston from getting locked up. Go ahead and take it to him.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna do that. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a blessed day.
All right, you as well.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Lashley, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes.
How can we help you? How can we help you, ma'am?
My son Caleb Maxley has an appointment. He has an appointment to see you today, and it's at 1:30, and he's incarcerated. And I have his documents to dismiss his charges. And I was trying to do this right now before I go into the hospital at 1:30.
Caleb Lashley. All right, what do you mean to have his documents to dismiss his charges?
I have the proof that he has plates and insurance. And registration.
Stop. No registration, expired plates and unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. And you say you have those documents?
Yes, I have those documents and the insurance.
All right. He's gonna need to, when is he gonna be out of incarceration?
He's gonna be a while in there because he's still pending a case. He has an ongoing case. He hasn't even went to examination yet.
He's not in the Wayne County Jail then, he's in another
Yes,
county?
yes, he's in Wayne County.
Oh, this case didn't happen out of Detroit though.
Right, this case is a traffic stop. But the case he's on now is a reference. It's a reference case. Yes.
All right. Mr. Goss?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I need an offer on, I need you down here on Lee Williams. And then I have Miss Lapsley, the mother of Caleb Lapsley. He's set for show cause this afternoon. She indicates that he's in the Wayne County Jail and he's pending a case, but she's bringing in documentation that he had registration plates and insurance on this date. And he still has a failure to stop ticket as well.
Right, and that's the only issue is that matter. And she's not an attorney, so she can't.
They can have him zoom in from the Wayne County Jail.
Okay, yeah, but he doesn't have his paperwork though.
You want to show the documentation.
Yeah, that's all I want to do.
Is he supposed to zoom in today?
I don't know if they're going to or not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how that procedure works.
Right, John, because I can give him a block 80 since he has all the other documentation.
Now let's see what documents you have, Ms. Lashley.
Okay. This is the insurance from State Auto for his truck.
Oh my God, goodness, that's a lot of money paying in that policy. Let me see,
Well, it's 5 cars, 5 to 6 cars.
all right, let me see here. Still a lot of money.
Yeah, State Auto.
State Auto, and how am I to know? All right, let's see, a Dodge. Okay, I see a 2018 Dodge Ram.
Right. She had a VIN numbers on it.
All right, I got that.
Okay. And then the registration.
He's come in here before, hasn't he?
No, my other sons have.
All right.
Okay, and this is the registration.
Now that registration is expired now, but that was seems like it should be good at that time though. All
Yeah,
right.
no, his register, here's the new registration for the truck.
Okay, great.
Okay.
All right.
And then the we switched over to AAA the end of last year. So here's the AAA.
I'm not concerned. That's some more
Okay.
insurance.
Yeah, we switched from State Auto to AAA because they had better rates. So I just wanted to provide the registration and the insurance and stuff for the truck.
All right. All right. Since he does he have a lawyer that's working on that case for him?
This one currently,
Yes.
I'm not sure. I don't think so.
No, the lawyer that's on his case that he's incarcerated on now.
Oh, he has a lawyer, but I don't know if he's working on this one for him. I don't know if they assigned it to him.
I need a lawyer to sign in to Mr. Bachman can probably do it, right, Mr. Bachman?
I am sorry, Your Honor. I had to let somebody in the front door.
So we got Mrs. Lapsley here on behalf of her son. He's scheduled for a show cause today, and she's coming in ahead of time. He's incarcerated in the Wayne County Jail, pending a case, and he's got a show cause today.
So she's got the documents?
I've already verified the documents. It was just a failure to stop ticket, and the city attorney was willing to offer a blocking traffic. Do you want to represent Mr. Lapsley on this one?
Well, I assume because it's a good deal, because it's no points, because it would advance his best interest here, I assume that I have a full authority to operate here on his behalf. I'd ask you, as his mother, if you would convey that authority to me, and I would stipulate to the face of the ticket, and we can write it down as blockading and move forward. Is that okay with you?
That's fine. Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Caleb Alexander Lapsley. Case numbers SP 1244725, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1244726, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Bachman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. I have full authority to operate on his behalf here. He is unable to appear, Your Honor, but we would stipulate to the face of the ticket, the speeding ticket, for probably for the factual basis for the purpose of the plea here today. Thank you.
All right, and I'm going to put that stipulation. I'm going to find him responsible to the admitted count of blocking traffic. I'm going to fine him $175 with the stipulation of probable cause. I'm going to dismiss all the other matters.
Stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, when can this matter be paid, ma'am?
I will pay it on Friday, Your Honor.
All right, tomorrow is Friday.
Tomorrow.
I would ask you, I don't know if you can go to any div dat kiosk. You have all his information. You can
Yes.
probably pay it at any div dat kiosk. The court is closed tomorrow. I'm gonna set this for a review for, let's say the 12th, 2022 review. If you can zoom back in with that proof of payment, ma'am, I'd appreciate that at 8:25 a.m. on April the 12th, 2022.
Okay, couldn't I do that online? Couldn't I put his
I would
ticket?
do it online. Online, it's gonna take an inordinate amount of time. It should, if you go to any kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can even upload that kiosk on your phone, DivDat, DIVDAT. You can pay it then, and it gets through very expeditiously when you do that.
Okay. So is that this, like the ticket, is that the Michigan ticket where you just put the
No,
ticket
that's
number?
the yellow one. The Michigan one is the yellow one. The DivDat one is the blue one.
Okay, the blue one. Okay.
But they're in, it'll have DivDat up there, and they're in most of the Myers and the CVS's and the Walgreens and stuff like that.
Okay, I can do that.
$175, we can close it out, and you can zoom in on April the 12th to make sure everything is closed out. I wish you and your son the best of luck, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
And we'll be praying for you.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right, what are we gonna do with Mr.
Roddy?
Roddy?
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Desmond Ferrati. I'm giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We've discussed the matter, and we appreciate the chance to talk in confidence with one another, Your Honor. There is a genuine and material issue of fact. We're asking that the matter be set for a bench trial by way of Zoom at the next best court action date. Thank you.
Right. I'm going to give you a client trial date, and that's going to be on June the 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Ferrati, make sure you show up on that date, please.
Okay, I do have a question, though, Your Honor.
What's your question?
So, I had stuff for the reckless driving case. It told me that I had court on August 23rd because I missed the first one because I didn't know what.
You're gonna that June. You disregard that date. That new date
Okay.
I just gave, June 17th. Make sure you show up, sir.
Okay. He said 9
June
o'clock.
17th at 9 a.m. Make a note of that. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a great day.
Okay, you too.
All right. I'm still waiting, Miss Lee Williams, for the prosecutor to come down.
Your Honor, does she have a driver's license now?
Yes, she indicates she does.
Okay, then I would just do improper plates and dismiss the other 1, 2, 3, 4 matters.
That's Well, what the deal is, Mr. Goss, is I think the main thing that was Miss Williams was here for and what she took the class for was the 16 to 20 over, hoping that you would just set that default aside. Now, here's the deal though. Let's call the case. Did we call the case yet? This is the city of Detroit versus Shantice Lee Williams, case number SP 121-29781, SP 121-74061, SP 394456, counts 1 and count 2, and SP 7964761. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Blockman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Shantice Lee Wood.
All right, Mr. Goss, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Dante Goss on behalf of the people.
All right, so I think when Ms. Lee Williams took that extra effort, apparently there's a problem with the class. I don't know what's going on with that, but that's what that was. She took the extra effort to take the class. Is that correct?
Yes,
But
sir.
you still haven't taken the class.
I started it. I always seem to start it, get to it, and answer the security question and get kicked out, sir.
Well, that's what she's trying to avoid, the 4 points on her driver's license. She paid that ticket.
Your Honor, she can do limited access 6 to 10 and dismiss the other matters.
That'll change it from 1 point to that'll change it from 4 points to 1 point, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
All right. All right. And then what are you gonna do? Well, that case is closed. That case is closed because that case has been paid. So what I'll do is what about the other tickets, Mr. Goss? What's the other offer?
Well, from what I'm sitting on the docket, it should just be improper plates and dismiss the 4 driving license issues.
All right, so here's the deal, man. The cases that you have, the misdemeanor cases that you have, he's offering you an improper plate. That's a $240 fine that does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and that will, I'll dismiss that upon payment of $240. Then we will amend the 1 ticket to limited access 6 to 10 over, and then we'll dismiss the other matters. So you'll have to owe another $240 today. You want to take that deal? You want to speak to Mr. Bachman about it?
Yeah.
All right. Join the breakout room, please.
What's the offer again, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
All right, they're amending the limited access. She's supposed to take the class, hasn't taken the class, so he's still going to amend the limited access, the 16 to 20 to a limited access 6 to 10. She already paid that matter off.
Okay.
So then she got a driver's license, so they're going to just offer her for one of the no insurance misdemeanor improper plate $240 fine and dismiss everything else. And then I'll dismiss the improper plate when she pays the $240.
Nice. Thank you. I'll be right back. Okay, Your Honor, we are going to waive rights and accept the plea recommendation here. Thank you.
All right. Is that what you want to do? This is back on the record with Mr. Shantice Lee Williams. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lee Williams?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? The other right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you put your hand down. Listen, Ms. Lee Williams, I know you don't want to have to come out any more money for this, but you did a very good job, and you're at the last home stretch here.
Now that I think about it, you're right, Your Honor. I dismiss it just because she did end up getting her driver's license. So I just dismiss it.
Wow.
Good point. Good point, Your Honor.
I just finished telling Miss Lee Williams how she was about to be blessed, and look how little time that took. Right away. Here we go.
He's a prophet, Ms. Lee Williams.
Thank you to Mr. Goss for making that happen. Thank you to the court for your attention to detail as well. We appreciate that.
Thank you. So
Keep his number in your Rolodex. What I always stress, and I just wish that more people would do it, is always have yourself a very good lawyer that you make a relationship with. And what relationship means that you pay them, you know, that you do what you say you're gonna do. Because you coming into these courts doing this stuff, paying this stuff all on your own, you get a ticket, you tell Mr. Buffin, I don't got time to go to court here and take this ticket and do your work on it, you know? And he can do some things like that.
Yes.
You know, so I mean, you see how important it is now, and you're gonna be seeing how important it is for the next few years on that insurance, and all that money could have been part of that money could have been given to Mr. Bachman or whatever other lawyer that you have, and then you could have kept it and continued partying with the other part of it.
Yes.
So, SB 121-29661, I'm gonna amend that ticket to limited access 6 to 10. And based on council, we're gonna dismiss the other matters.
Stipulate the probable cause for that dismissal, and again, thank council and the court.
Nothing further. Have a great day, man. Good luck to you. All right.
So I'm clear, Judge.
All right. Keep that driver's license.
We trying to find. So I got a question, Judge, before I go. I can't hear.
Just like that one more time.
Okay.
What's your question?
Okay, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear. Okay, so as far as everything, I'm clear. I'm good.
You want me to keep saying it, or you want me to bring it all back?
Have a good day, Judge.
Have a great day. Have a good day, Ms. Lee Williams.
Thank you, everybody.
All right. All right, who's on the call? Lydell. Who's on the call? Lydell. You have to unmute yourself. Lydell, you have to unmute yourself. All right, I'm putting you out the room. Call back. We'll give them a few seconds to join back in, and if not. Did you mute? we're gonna call it a day. I don't see that Lydell, and I looked up the name and I don't see it on there. So we'll call it a day, a morning.
A morning, yeah.
No objection from the defense.
Oh, that's right. All right, Ms. Winslow, I'll see you this afternoon.
Everybody have a great